Welcome to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for home decor ideas and inspiration. In today's video, we're diving into elegant entryway styling, perfect for refreshing your home after the festive season. Get ready to transform your entryway into a welcoming winter wonderland. The post-holiday refresh. It's time to shed the tinsel and transition your entryway from Christmas cheer to cozy winter elegance. We'll focus on creating a serene and inviting atmosphere that lasts all season long. Let's make your first impression count. Start by decluttering any lingering holiday decorations. A clean slate is essential for a fresh look. Consider storage solutions that keep your entryway organized and tidy, reflecting a peaceful post-holiday vibe. Less is often more in design. Neutral color palettes and textures. Embrace a soothing neutral color palette to create a calm and sophisticated entryway. Think soft grays, warm whites, and subtle beiges that evoke a sense of tranquility. These colors provide a perfect backdrop for winter styling. Incorporate rich textures like faux fur throws, chunky knit blankets, and woven baskets. These elements add warmth and depth, making your entryway feel inviting and luxurious. Layering textures creates visual interest without overwhelming the space. Consider natural wood accents and metallic touches in gold or silver for an elevated feel. These materials complement neutral tones beautifully, adding a touch of understated glamour. They bring an element of refined elegance to your winter decor. Lighting for ambience. Proper lighting is crucial for setting the right mood in your entryway. Opt for warm, ambient lighting that creates a soft and welcoming glow. Consider a stylish pendant light or a pair of elegant wall sconces. Add floor lamps or table lamps with dimmer switches to control the intensity of light. This allows you to adjust the ambience throughout the day. Strategic lighting enhances the overall aesthetic and functionality of the space. Fairy lights or LED strip lights can also add a magical touch to shelves or console tables. They provide a subtle shimmer, perfect for a cozy winter evening. Experiment with different light sources to create depth and visual appeal. Greenery and natural elements. Bring the outdoors in with fresh or faux greenery to add life to your entryway. Winter branches, eucalyptus, or pine sprigs can create a natural, serene look. They introduce an organic touch. Place a simple vase with seasonal flowers or a potted plant on your console table. These natural elements purify the air and add a refreshing pop of color. Choose plants that thrive in indoor conditions for lasting beauty. Consider incorporating other natural textures like stone, wood, or rattan. A decorative bowl filled with pine cones or polished river stones can be a beautiful accent. These elements connect your space to the natural world. Functional and decorative furniture. Choose entryway furniture that is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. A console table with drawers provides storage for keys and mail, keeping surfaces clutter-free. Select pieces that match your style. An elegant bench or ottoman can offer a convenient spot to sit while putting on or taking off shoes. It also adds a touch of comfort and style to the space. Look for pieces with hidden storage for extra functionality. A statement mirror not only allows for last-minute checks, but also reflects light, making the entryway feel larger and brighter. Choose a mirror with a unique frame to enhance your decor. Mirrors are both functional and decorative. Personal touches and art. Infuse your personality into the entryway with carefully selected art and decorative accents. A captivating piece of wall art can serve as a focal point, setting the tone for your home. Display cherished photographs or unique decorative objects that tell a story. These personal touches make your entryway feel warm and inviting, truly reflecting who you are. Or arrange them thoughtfully for maximum impact. Add a stylish tray to hold small items like candles, diffusers, or a decorative dish for keys. These details contribute to a polished and curated look. Every element should serve a purpose or add beauty. Area rugs and runners. An area rug or runner can define the entryway space and add warmth underfoot. Choose a rug with a subtle pattern or texture that complements your overall decor. It anchors the space beautifully. Select durable materials that can withstand high traffic, especially during the winter months. Wool or synthetic blends are excellent choices for their resilience and ease of cleaning. A good rug protects your floors. The right rug can tie all the elements of your entryway together, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. It's an opportunity to introduce color or pattern in a tasteful way. Consider a non-slip backing for safety. Seasonal scent and sound. Complete your winter entryway experience with inviting seasonal scents. Diffusers with essential oils like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla create a warm and welcoming aroma. Scent evokes memory and comfort. Consider a subtle background playlist of soft instrumental music to enhance the tranquil atmosphere. This adds an auditory layer to your entryway experience, making it even more inviting. Sound can elevate the mood significantly. Thank you for joining us on Decorio Studio. We hope these tips inspire your elegant entryway styling after Christmas. Please like this video, leave a comment with your favorite tip, share with friends, and subscribe for more decor inspiration.